This is Achraf-Boutahiri again, and today we are going to make this project. We have two parts, first one and second one. I'm going to make them, and after that we are going to make the assembly and the drafting. First of all, we are going to make this part. So you come to Start, Mechanical Design and Sketcher, and you pick, we call it P1, and we sketch on the ZX plane. Starting with this keyhole, we should start from here to here, and we define this shape like this. So this one should be horizontal, and this radius is 20, and this one is 10. So this one radius 20, and radius 10 right here. 10. After that, we define this total length as 50 from here to here. 50 right here. Again, 50. And double click on circle, first one 5 right here. And another one 5 right here. After that, we go out and we make multipad, and this outside perimeter will be raised up by 10, and this one will be raised up by 20 plus 10, which is 30, and this one is empty. So again, 10 right here. This one is empty, and this one inside will be raised up by 20 plus 10, which is 30. So this is our part, first part. Control save, and we save it on a folder with the name of final exam P2. Save. After that, we go to Start, Mechanical Design, and again another part design P2. And we choose the YZ plane, and we sketch on it the second part. Second part is quite simple. We pick this elongated hole, so start from here to here, and we put it like this. So this big radius is 10 and inner radius is 5. So here we put 10. We double click on small circle 5. We put the first one right here and second one 5 right here. Okay. The next step is to add this small radius 10 right here. 10. After that, we should define this distance 38.64. So again, from this dot to this dot, we should have 38.64. And you have your part defined. So, but looking from this side, we can see this side right here. So we are going to put a multipad, and we are going to raise this side here by 30. So 30 plus 30 is 60. So we go out and we go to multipad. This inner outside domain will be raised up by 30. This one will be raised up by 30 plus 30, which is 60. And the last one will be empty. So we keep it like this. And we save it as P2. Now we should go to the assembly. So go to Start, Mechanical Design, Assembly Design. And we load, right click on Component, Existing Component. We load from here. So we're going to make it step by step. So we load part 1 like this, and we go to Ctrl D to duplicate it 3 times, like this, and we are going to make an assembly, so like this. So this assembly will be like this. So this one inside this one, and this one will be inside this one. So we start with this one and this one. So first of all, we are going to make a coincidence. So we start with the coincidence between this axis and this hole, and again a coincidence between this face right here and this face right here, that they should share the same direction, like this. Okay, so this is the first side, so of this side right here, and again we are going to put this one right here. So again we come to a coincidence between this one and this one right here, update, and using a manipulation we are going to slide this one into this direction right here to get it like this. So again we are going to say that this face right here and this face should have the same direction, update. So after that I'm going to do something about some angles. So these angles are very important. We are going to put 120 between this side and this side. So we should have using manipulation. So turning on this axis right here, we're going to turn, rotate on this axis right here. Yes, this one. We turn it like this, and we are going to say that we should have an angle between this side and this side, which is 120. Update, and we have this configuration. Now next here, because we are looking from the bottom, we are going again to do 124.98 between this side and this side. So again, manipulate, and we are going to flip on this direction here. Okay, and again we put an angle between this side and this side here, 98 dates, and they are like this. So now it is fixed like this. Now we are going to insert existing component, and we load part number 2. So this is our part number 2, manipulates, translate into this direction here, this one, okay, and we are going to say that this one should be included right here with this tall side right here. So coincidence between this axis right here and this axis, updates, and after that we should have some coincidence between this face and this face right here, same direction, updates, and it is done. Not enough, we should go back. So this coincidence should be deleted, so the coincidence should be from this side and this side, opposite direction, updates, and they are like this. Now it is done. Now the next step is to put another one right here. So this tile line should be here in this empty side. So again, existing components, and we load part number 2. Again, manipulate using this direction here, or this direction here. Okay, and again we are going to say that this axis right here should be included into this whole update like this, but we should flip it into this direction here. Flip, update, and it should be like this. Okay, so after that we are going to put some coincidence between this face and this face right here. Okay, updates, updates, and it is done. Now the last step, we should include the last element, this one. So again, double click, load existing component, part number 2 again, and using manipulation or to compass directly, we're going to drag it right here and we flip it like this. So again, we put this compass into its position from here to here, updates, and we should have some contact between this face and this face right here. Okay, updates. So now the last step, we should have some coincidence between this axis right here and this axis right here. Updates, and it is done. So looking at shape, they are in the same configuration. Flip it into this side here. So this is the same configuration as this one. And you can save it in the same folder as product P. So see you in the next video of the drafting.